Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install and activate two WhatsApp apps on your Google Pixel tab. So, if you need the second WhatsApp account for the work, for example, with the separated contacts message, of course, go to the Play Store, tap on the search bar and look for the WhatsApp app, but not for the normal WhatsApp app, look for the WhatsApp Business. Install that one, and by this quick way we have two WhatsApp applications from the official stores. That was the first method. Now the second one, go to the Play Store and look for the Dual Space app. I'm always using the two accounts, so we can open it, decide that you want to get notifications and agree the terms. Tap on the allow and tap on the WhatsApp icon. Now whole process started automatically and now we are creating the next WhatsApp application on our device. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, recommend, and goodbye.